I know you are aware that Edo State government is not in charge of police and other security agencies. A situation whereby even a law-constituted organ is being disbanded unlawfully by a law enforcement agent, you know that something is in the open. So nobody is running away from his responsibility, rather than we are pointing to Nigerians that there is something cooking by this APC-led administration under the watch of police that are being paid with a common tax payers' money, who is supposed to be impartial. So as regards to the signing of the peace accord, secondly, we are going to participate. We'll come out in mass and we will defend our votes with our blood. Let them be very, very clear about that. Peace accords, we could not sign, we could not be part of that because we gave a condition. And it is their responsibility to make sure that these conditions are met. Where there are arbitrary arrests of members of only one particular party, then that means something is enough. So what peace are we going to sign for who? Of course, you can't go to, you can't have everyone to say likes you. But I'm telling you, I'm assuring you, more than 90% of our party faithful in Edo are with the candidate. We had the best Congress that he emerged successfully, and most of them are with him. So I don't know where you are getting your own information. And as your last question, that the party is divided across the country, the last time I checked, the party is still intact. You know where there are problems, parties that have problems.
River State, sir?
River State is there. The governor is working and is doing very well. So what is your point there?
Your governors and
My friend, I won't answer any question about that. Next question.
All right, good evening, sir. My name is Abdurrahman.